Dear viewers, the topic which we will discuss today is German Chancellor Angela Merkel as a role model. That how Angela Merkel, who remained Chancellor of Federal Republic of Germany for 16 years, long time, long period, she is categorized, termed as a role model for the rest of the world. An Iron lady, more or less comparable to the former British Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher, but very different in terms of her approach, in terms of her lifestyle, Margaret Thatcher. So Angela Merkel, who has stepped down as German Chancellor after completing her 4th term. Why she is called as a role model? And what is meant by a role model? A model where others can be inspired. Can be inspired in terms of performance, approach, way of life. So Angela Merkel, basically hailing from the eastern part of Germany, and for 35 years of her life, first 35 years of her life, she was basically a citizen of German Democratic Republic or East Germany. But after reunification of Germany, in October 1990, she moved to the western part of Germany and then started taking part in politics. Angela Merkel was picked up by the former German Chancellor Helmut Kohl during 90s, when he appointed her as Minister for Women, and then she remained a minister for several years. Till that time, she took control of Christian Democratic Union, CDU, and then was elected as the Chancellor. She became Chancellor of Germany, United Germany, in 2005. Because of 4 main reasons, Angela Merkel is termed as a role model, and she'll be remembered in the annals of history. There is no doubt about it. Number 1, leadership qualities. She has been termed as an Iron lady, not Iron lady in a negative sense, but a Chancellor of Europe's powerhouse. Germany is Europe's powerhouse. World's 4th largest economy. And her leadership, which basically enabled Germany to manage various issues. And some of these issues which proved her leadership capabilities, like for instance the Euro crisis of 2011, the migrant crisis of 2015. Both the crises, Angela Merkel took a principled position and was able to play a leadership role, along with France, of course, along with other members of the European Union, to save Euro. Because her argument being that without Euro, there will be no Europe. Migrant crisis, when 1 million refugees, migrants from Syria and from other parts of the like West Asia and the Middle East, they sneaked into Germany. First they went to Greece, and from Greece regardless of all the impediments. They reached the borders of Germany, and the German Chancellor took a decision to welcome the migrants because of humanitarian. A good leader is a leader which is able to transform a challenge into an opportunity. So in 2015, when 1 million refugees, primarily Muslim refugees, they sneaked into Germany, and Angela Merkel, she said that we will not refuse their entry, we will not throw them out. We will help them. We will make use of their skills and their talents and their energies for the betterment of our country. So she used that challenge as an opportunity. And she disregarded the right wing, ultra right wing, the alternate for Deutschland or the AfD, which emerged as a reaction as far as the migrant crisis was concerned in Germany. So she proved her leadership skills. This is number one, that why she has been a role model. Decision making, clarity, promptness, consensus, democratic mode of governance, management skills. The second thing, a role model, her lifestyle, which has been very simple, believing in austerity and living in an apartment, not making use of perks and benefits, no. Doing her household work herself along with her husband. And Angela Merkel is a scientist, and her husband also a scientist. Very simple lifestyle. Doing their laundry together, cooking together. And the leader of and the chancellor of the world's fourth largest economy. You can imagine, such a wealthy country, rich country, and the head of the government, so simple. So this is what we have to understand, that her lifestyle is a source of inspiration for others. Third, she never ever misused her authority or her power in 16 years' time. And she, in her own party, also evolved consensus, promoted, supported democratic way of life, decision making. And that is something, a quality, which we don't see in many of the leaders. So she is basically a person who in the 16 years in power tried her level best to do everything for her country. Everything. Fourth, at the international level also, Angela Merkel played a leading role, not only in European Union, but also as far as in Africa, in Asia, in other parts of the world, a leadership role. Peacekeeping, UN, United Nations, not only in European Union. A dominant personality, but a benign personality, a charismatic personality. Absolutely. So millions of Germans gathered outside or in front of their balconies and homes couple of weeks back to pay homage to Angela Merkel and to arrange a farewell in a very graceful manner. That is something which we have to understand, that she realized 2 years back that her time was over and she should call it a day, completed her fourth term gracefully, and then she has left her legacy to determine how her country has benefited in the last 16 years. I don't think there are many people who curse her or who criticize her or who dislike her. There is a general feeling of goodwill for her because she is leaving a positive legacy, not a negative one. Thank you very much.